This is an assembly demonstration for a tractor ground spinner from In the Breeze. Out of the package, it will look similar to this. You should have the tractor ground spinner with two attached vertical axle rod holders and a fiberglass pole connector, two large spinner wheels, two smaller spinner wheels, two axles, a two-piece fiberglass pole, and a ground stake. Each axle should have two end caps and two pressure washers. One pressure washer is glued in place. Start with one of the axles and remove both end caps and the loose pressure washer. Slide the longest side of the rod through the hole in the vertical axle rod holder. Replace the pressure washer to hold the axle in place. Slide a spinner wheel on either side and replace the end caps. Repeat the process with the second set of wheels. Remember, the smaller wheels go on the front of the tractor. For use in high winds, we recommend a small amount of glue in the end caps to permanently hold the spinner wheels in place. Attach the two-piece fiberglass pole together securely. Insert the pole firmly into the fiberglass pole connector. Find a place in your yard to place your stake. Try not to hammer it, but if you need to, use a rubber mallet and be sure to hit squarely in the middle of the stake. You are now ready to enjoy your tractor ground spinner.